Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make semi-outdoor canopy. Okay, first of all you have to make a base floor. For the first, it's around 6,000 and 4,000 millimeter. Okay, and then you can give a small thickness. It's around 70 millimeter. Then you can set the material of the floor. Okay, and after that you can set the column of this canopy. You can select this rectangle. You can select this rectangle with any size. Anyway, with any size, maybe it's around 150 millimeter, and you can draw a square column, right? Then you can set the height. It's around 2,400 millimeter only. It's enough, and then you can make it a group, and you can make it component and just create it. And you can move and press Ctrl to make arrangement, and then you can press 2/ and press enter. Then you can see automatic arrangement of this column anyway. Okay, and after that you have to make a rectangle in this position. You have to make a rectangle to be a beam structure in this canopy, and then you have to make it group, and then you can add more additional column by select this 3 column, and then you can move and press Ctrl and just position in front of the object, and then you can use a rectangle to make a cantilever beam, something like this. Then you can select this object all, and you can adjust the scale. Then you can adjust the length of the rectangle, and then you can push it up. Maybe it's around 200 millimeter. Okay, then you can make it group. Okay, so you can see about a look like of the combination between column and the beam. Anyway, this is a basic shape, but you have to make it more detail with just select triple click in this object and select offset, and then you can select offset, and then you can offset inside around 100 millimeter, right? Then you have to push it down until it clear anyway. Okay, and after that you can I'm sorry, you have to erase it, but you can push it the column up for all of column right here. Then you have to make a beam structure right here. It's just any size, so you can use a standard size of the beam and column for a real modeling. Anyway, in this video I just teach you about a basic technique to adjust about the structural of the canopy. Okay, and then you have to rotate this beam, and just with rotate and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, and then you can adjust the connection of between a beam to the beam and another column like here, right here. Okay, you can see about the structural system. Then you have move and press Ctrl, right? You have to move and press Ctrl, and maybe you can give any position, but you have to consider the structural standard. Okay, and then you have to push it until it connected to another beam, something like this. You can use select and use push and pull to connect it all anyway. Then okay, and after that you can make another beam support right here. You can make another beam support in any position like this. Maybe you can set the position in this area, and then you can push it to the maybe you can connect it to this and then you can make it group and just make it component anyway. Just create it, and you can extend this column on the back side anyway. Then okay, and after that you can move it to the left side, and then you can click again and just press Ctrl to duplicate it again, and you can position on it, and you can type on your keyboard with the how much you want to arrange the parallel beam anyway. For example, I would like to give you example. Maybe you can type 35 slash and press enter, so it will be automatic arrangement of this, but I think it's too much. I will like to repeat it. Okay, I would like to repeat it again, and I just position in this end of position, and just I want to type just for 6 slash and press enter, because it's just a basic structure of the beam anyway. Then and after that I have to okay, you have to move it to the top of position. You have to move it to the top of the position by using a move, and just move it in this area, and you can delete some unnecessary object right here. And okay, maybe it's gonna be unnecessary object, then you have to erase it, and after that you can make vertical blind arrangement with a rectangle, and you can make a vertical blind arrangement with a rectangle that you can use for this position anyway. You can use for this position. I'm sorry, you have to move and duplicate about some object right here. Okay, you have to move and duplicate and move it again. Okay, and then you can duplicate it again. You can just move and just press shift and press Ctrl, and also in this position, and also in this position you have to move with a shift. Okay, maybe something like this. Then you have to make arrangement of the rectangle, vertical blind rectangle, and then you have to push it down, just make it group, and just make it component. Just create it. Okay, and you can adjust it, and after that you can move and press Ctrl and just position on it, and just type 15 and slash, then press enter. Okay, and you can repeat the step, but you have to select this beam. You have to select this horizontal blind, or you have to make it group for the first. Then you have to move and just press Ctrl to duplicate it, and you can adjust with the move. Okay, and you can adjust it. You can adjust the unperfect position of the vertical blind anyway, and you can duplicate it again to arrange about the wood element of this area, and then you can duplicate it into the left side anyway by select Ctrl and by select move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, and you can use synthetic surface like this, and then you can select dark material to assign a material to the structure, to every structure anyway. So you can see it. You can see about the structural system of this canopy, and you can adjust it again. You can adjust it, adjust the material, and you can make glass canopy right here by using a rectangle. Then you have to make a thickness. It's around 15 millimeter, right? And then you have to make it group, and then you have to extend off each side with a push. Okay, with a push you can extend. I using shortcut of the push and pull tool anyway, so it more fast than a default step. Okay, then you have to make a glass material, and don't forget to adjust the opacity and the color as you want for this material, and then you can add some landscape element of this, and using scale anyway to adjust your landscape design anyway. Then you can assign a material with landscaping, and you can select a vegetation grass, something like this. Then you can make a stepping stone right here. You can make a stepping stone and just make it component and just create it, and you can adjust the position as your desired anyway. Just for example, I hope you can improve this step. You can improve about how to modeling it again. And okay, I think this is enough. Okay, thanks for watching for my video. I hope you get a lot of advantage from this video, and wait for my next video.